Hello, my amazing friends. Today we are going to talk about something very powerful, something that quietly controls your whole life. Not money, not talent, not your background. It is your self confidence. Let me tell you something funny but true. A confident person with average skills often wins, and a talented person with low confidence just keeps thinking, maybe next time. Why? Because confidence changes everything. It changes how you speak, how you take decisions, how you handle failure, and most importantly, how you see yourself. Without confidence, even if you are right, you will doubt yourself. Even if you have something important to say, you will stay quiet. And slowly, you start playing small in life. But here is the good news. Confidence is not something you are born with. You can build it step by step. And today I will show you how. Tip number 1. Control your self talk. Listen carefully. You are talking to yourself all the time. Yes, even right now. There is a small voice in your head saying this like, I cannot do this. I am not good enough. And your brain, it believes it. So, if you keep saying negative things, your confidence goes down. But here is the trick, change your words. Instead of I cannot do this, say I will try. I am learning. And here is a fun exercise. Stand in front of mirror and say I trust myself. At first, you might feel weird, but don't worry. Even your mirror will get used to it. Repeat daily, and your mind will slowly believe it. Tip number 2. Believe before results. Most people say, I will believe in myself after I succeed. Wrong. Confidence comes before success. Think about a baby learning to walk. They fall again and again, but they never say, walking is not for me. They just keep trying. So you also need to say, I don't know how yet, but I will learn. Confidence is not, I will never fail. Confidence is, even if I fail, I will try again. Tip number 3. Take care of yourself. Let's be honest. If you don't take care of yourself, how will you feel confident? If you don't sleep properly, don't eat well, wear random clothes, your brain says, I am not important. But when you wake up on time, take a shower, dress nicely, you feel fresh and confident. It's simple. How you treat yourself, how you feel about yourself. Tip number 4. Start small, win small. Big mistake people make. They think too much but don't act. Remember this line. Confidence comes from doing, not thinking. Start small. Speak English for 5 minutes, complete one small task. When you finish it, your brain says, wow, I did it. And slowly, confidence grows. Small wins is equal to big confidence. Tip number 5. Know yourself. Many people try to copy others. They think, I want to be like him. I want to be like her. But here's the problem. When you copy others, you forget yourself. And if you don't know yourself, how can you trust yourself? So ask yourself, what am I good at? What do I like? What do I want in life? Spend time alone sometimes. No phone. Trust me, you will meet a very interesting person. Tip number 6. Learn new things. Fear comes from not knowing, confidence comes from knowing. Example: if I ask you to speak about something you don't know, you will panic. But if you know the topic, you will speak like a boss. So keep learning, practice English, improve your skills. Knowledge is equal to confidence. Tip number 7: take action. Big truth. People don't lack confidence, they lack action. They think, what if I fail? What will people say? And then they do nothing. But listen, action creates confidence. Start even if you feel nervous. Your hands may shake, your voice may break, but that's okay. That is how confidence is born. Tip number 8: fix your body language. Your body speaks before you speak. If you bend your shoulders, look down, you feel weak. But if you stand straight, make eye contact, you feel strong. Even if you don't feel confident, act confident. Your brain will slowly believe it. Tip number 9: focus on solutions. Problems will come, that's life. But unconfident people say, why me? Confident people say, what can I do now? Simple difference, big result. Focus on solutions and you will feel powerful. Tip number 10: smile more. Let me ask you, when you smile, how do you feel? Better, right? Smiling relaxes your body, makes you look friendly, builds confidence. You don't need to smile like a joker all the time, but stay relaxed and positive. Tip number 11: be grateful. Stop comparing your life with others. Someone has more money, someone has more success. So what? You also have something. Be grateful for your life, your progress, your efforts. Gratitude makes you feel strong inside. Tip number 12: build small habits. Confidence is not built in one big moment, it is built daily. Your habits matter. Wake up on time, finish your tasks, keep your promises. Every small action tells your brain, I can trust myself. And that is real confidence. Final message: remember this: confidence is not magic, it is built step by step. Some days you will feel strong, some days you will feel weak. But don't stop, because every small step is changing you. And one day you will look back and say, wow, I am not the same person anymore. And one more thing: while you were listening to this, you were also improving your English. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep becoming better every day. Thank you for watching. Now go and become your confident self.